Senator Gazelka said that he's not a lawyer, so he relies on the experts in this field. Well, Madam President, members, I happen to be a lawyer. My field of law practice happens to be in the human rights area, claims relating to the Chapter 363A of the Human Rights Act. And I happen to chair the Senate Judiciary Committee, where we heard this bill. We've heard testimony on this bill and on many bills like it. And I have to agree with Senator Dibbles and others' assessments that particularly Subdivision 2 would gut the Human Rights Act. It would gut the Human Rights Act. It would give services the right to say, because you are black, I will not provide you with service. Because I disagree with the fact that you married someone who's not black. Do we really want to go there, members? Haven't we been there before, 40 years ago? Aren't we past that as a society? On its face, some of what's in this amendment may look good, but you have to read what it actually says, and you have to understand what it actually means and what it will actually do. And members, this amendment, while it's suggested that would allow room for religious freedom, which is of course important and valuable in our society, goes way beyond that. It would authorize, legitimize, make explicitly lawful discrimination against people because of who they marry. Not even targeted, as this overall bill is, on same-sex marriage, but with the broader language that applies to all marriages, different faiths, different races. Between a disabled person and a non-disabled person, that would be allowable under this amendment, to discriminate on that basis. As would Subdivision 1 have similar breadth. We all have a right to our own religious beliefs, but as Senator Dibble said, once you go out into civil society, you must not act on those which are noxious to the civility of that society. This amendment would authorize people to act in such a way, and I urge you to reject it wholeheartedly.